This is part 2 of a 2-part tutorial showing how to make a movie trailer to share science. Okay, once you have the text set up, you want to add your video clips and other media into the placeholders. Each placeholder is set to a unique duration. All of these are less than a couple of seconds. To add media, click the placeholder to highlight it. You can see that the first one is set to a duration of 0.8 seconds. Move the cursor to the event library and find the video clip to be added. You'll notice that a box appears on the cursor indicating the time frame that will be selected. Click once on the clip and it will drop into that placeholder. You can later adjust more precisely which portion of the clip to use by clicking on this icon. Now we can scrub the playhead across the clip and change which part to use, and we can see what's going on in the viewer panel. All clips added are muted by default, but this icon allows us to unmute a clip. And this icon will let you delete the clip and start all over. You can make some additional adjustments by using these options above the viewer window. Changes to the color balance, color correction, and cropping. You can also stabilize a shaky video clip. And you can change the speed of the clip here or add special effects. And I'll let you explore these options on your own. Let's add the remaining clips to this section. So let's select the next placeholder and we will drop in a clip. And the next one, let's see, it's going to be down here. As you build your project, you can periodically review it by clicking the play button or the space bar on your keyboard. So let's play what we have so far. And so you can see how it's beginning to come together. Now all you do is continue adding media to the rest of the placeholders. I should mention that you can also add photos from your files. To import media, all you do is select the placeholder, then go up here and select the down arrow that says Import. And this opens up your file manager where you can locate all your media files. If it is a video, you can preview it first. It's the same for photos. Just select the photo and it appears in the viewer window. To import a photo or a video clip or an animation, just click the Import Selected button. Once imported, the photo can be added to the timeline the same way as a video clip. Just select it in the media library and it automatically drops into the placeholder. You can add or modify a Ken Burns effect to the photo by selecting the cropping icon here. Now you can reset the starting and ending view of the photo, creating movement. Using photos is a good option if you don't have any video footage of something. In fact, you could create an entire movie trailer using only photos. Okay, I have finished adding footage and images for my library. You can review the shot list in the last tab in the trailer editor. Here, all your shots are grouped by type, which may be helpful if you followed the placeholder suggestions. I didn't, so my shots don't really correspond to the shot groupings. But if you do follow the placeholder suggestions, this may be of use. So let's see how the trailer looks. To play full screen, be sure the playhead is at the beginning of the storyboard, and then go to View up here and select Play Full Screen. Okay, I think you can see how easy it is to create a brief video using the movie trailer option. One issue, though, is with these templates, you are locked into them, making modifications difficult. For example, you may not like the movie credits screen at the end and want something else. So how do you delete that and add perhaps information about where your paper will be published or some other information that relates to your video project? This is extremely easy. Just go to File and select Convert Trailer to Movie. Everything is then placed into a movie project where you have the freedom to edit. What you see are the video clips in sequence in the main track, and the soundtracks are below it. Above the video clips is the text that you inserted, which can now be edited. You can also remove or replace the soundtrack or add more clips and text. As I said earlier, one thing you may want to remove from the trailer is the bit at the end showing the movie credits. How do you cut it? This is simple. Just select the text title and tap the delete key. This removes it and leaves a black background where we can insert new text. So go over to the content library and select text titles. This opens a set of options. And let's select this one and drag it on top of that blank clip. Double click it and now we can edit. And here you might put in the reference to the paper or some other information. You may need to change the font size or the text alignment or some other option which you can do in the options above the viewer window. So now let's play that back and see how it looks. Once your movie trailer is ready, you can export it. Go to the Share button up here and you'll have a number of options. And we're going to save it to File. When we make that selection, we get a dialog box where we can adjust the output size and quality and then specify where to send the file. And that's all there is to it. What I've shown you is a really easy way to create a quick video about your research. You can always build a video from scratch in the Movie Project Editor, but the trailer templates will help you get started if you are having trouble. If you are interested in more tips and tutorials, please visit my website. And also check out my ebook, The Scientist Videographer, which provides detailed information and guidance for anyone wishing to add video to their communication toolbox. This is Karen McKee, the Scientist Videographer. Thanks for watching.